HP-12C Platinum Financial Calculator. This is the Quick Start Guide. HP-12C Platinum Financial Calculator Quick Start Guide. So like legal notices. This manual and any examples contained herein are provided as is and are subject to change without notice. Hewlett-Packard Company makes no warranty of any kind with regard to this manual, including but not limited to the implied warranties of merchantability, non-infringement, and fitness for a particular purpose. I don't think we need to read all that. Table of contents. Page 1, let's get started. I already read this in 2019, but we'll read it again. Getting started. Welcome to your HP-12C Financial Calculator. This booklet is intended to get you started quickly with the basic features of your 12C Platinum Financial Calculator. Use it for quick reference. For more detailed information about the 12C Platinum, refer to the HP-12C Platinum Financial Calculator User's Guide. Pages of the user's guide are cited throughout this manual, and it is highly recommended you refer to the user's guide to thoroughly familiarize yourself with the many features of your calculator. The keys. Many keys on the HP-12C Platinum perform more than one function. The primary function of a key is indicated by the characters printed in white on the upper face of the key. The alternate functions of a key are indicated by the characters printed in gold above the key and the characters printed in blue on the lower face of the key. See Figure 1. It says the little F button prefix function gold is for price. The YX is the primary function, and then the it says the letter G prefix function blue. I don't know what that symbol means, but it has an X underneath it, and that's underneath it. To specify the primary function printed on the upper face of a key, press the key alone. To specify the alternate function printed in gold above a key, press the gold prefix key, which is the F, then press the function key. To specify the alternate function printed in blue on the lower face of a key, press the blue prefix key, then press the function key. Pressing the F or G prefix key turns on the corresponding status indicator, F or G, in the display. After a function key is pressed, the indicator turns off. Note how function keys for bonds, depreciation, and clearing are grouped together under brackets printed above the keys in gold. Unless otherwise indicated, press and release the desired key or key combination from left to right. You do not need to press and hold the keys as with a computer or typewriter. There are a total of 9 status indicators that appear along the bottom of the display and signify the status of the calculator for certain operations. When applicable, the descriptions below identify when an indicator appears on screen. In this manual, the highlighted portion of the key symbol or symbols represents the active function of the key. Functions above the keys are spelled out and preceded by the F function key. Customizing the calculator. Table 1-1 lists some of the basic functions available for customizing the calculator. The pages of the HP-12C Platinum Financial Calculator users, page 3, guide are included for reference. Refer to these pages of the user's guide for more information. Table 1-1 Basic Functions. Functions. Turn calculator on/off. It shows the display and description section. It shows turn calculator on, press on. Again, turns the calculator off. The calculator turns off automatically 12 minutes after it was last used. Operating mode. Number 1, press F. The function button, ALG to set the operating mode to algebraic mode. Number 2, press function RPN to set the operating mode to reverse Polish notation, RPN mode. Number 3, note the RPN or ALG indicator. RPN is the default operating mode. Display contrast, something on page 16. Press and hold function while pressing the plus symbol over LSX, or that's a button, or the minus with the left pointing arrow button to adjust the display contrast, darker or lighter respectively. Page 4. Table 1-1 Basic Functions. Functions. Digit separator. Replace decimal point with a comma. Page 17. Under the display / description, it shows 1, 2, 3, comma 4, 5, 6. Number 1, the default separator is a comma. See above. Number 2, turn the calculator off first by pressing the on button. Number 3, press and hold the, looks like it's a period over a double S or something. It's hard to really see, it's real small. Button. And then press and release on button to change the digital separator from a comma to a point. Number 4, perform the same steps again to change the point to a comma. Number display format, page 87. It shows 1.12 over RPM or something like that in the display. Press and release function followed by a number 0 through 9 to specify the number of digits placed to the right of the decimal point. The default setting is 2 places to the right of the decimal point. Page 5. Table 1-1 Basic Functions. Functions. Calendar format. Month, day, year, M period DY, or day, month, year, D period MY, pages 37 through 40. It shows the display description thing. It shows 12.03, 2010. Press the G button, the 5 over M period DY button, or press the G button over 4 DMY button to set the date format. The default setting is month, day, year. The screen above shows December 3rd, 2010 in the month, day, year format. Press the G button and the S over month, day, year button. I think it goes to number 5 now. Number 2, key in 1 or 2 digits for the month. Number 3, press the period over squiggly S button. Number 4, key in 2 digits for the day. Number 5, key in 4 digits for the year. Number 6, note at this point pressing the enter over equal button displays the date in the selected number display format. Number 1, for day, month, year, press G, the G button, and the 4 over DMY button. Note the D period MY indicators appear. Yep, on the little part of the display. Key in 1 or 2 digits for the day. Number 3, press the period over squiggly S button. Number 4, key in 2 digits for the month. Number 5, key in 4 digits for the year.